hours we have landed at Almaty International Airport, Kazakhstan.
If you're on this video, you're probably planning or interested in Kazakhstan. Hi, I'm Yan from the Yanchi. The hardest part of traveling is not packing, but leaving these 3 babies behind in the Philippines while we travel to Kazakhstan for 7 days and 6 nights. You're probably wondering, who is this girl? Who is this couple? Same. Life happens after lip tint. In this video, we will share with you our 7 days and 6 nights itinerary in Almaty. God be with us. We arrived at the airport 4:30 a.m. kasi ang flight natin is 9 a.m. going to Don Muang and then 6 hours layover going to Almaty. But first of all, magbigay-pugay tayo sa mga medyas na butas pero nasa lipad. Charot. Nabook natin ito first week of December 2025. Ang travel period namin is January 26, 2026. Via AirAsia, this is Manila to Bangkok to Almaty. After 8 hours, touchdown, Kazakhstan! Cash withdrawal is music to my ears. Resorts World Manila.
Ano? Ang sabi lang.
Ay, may balon.
Ano itong karton to? Ang laki.
Hello. Kunwari, nagulat din ako na malaki yung kwarto pero ang totoo, ako ang nag-book sa booking.com Rainier Park Hotel.
Ito pa, gusto panlaman.
On to our first day here in Almaty, we're going to Panfilov Park. Our first stop is Zenkov or Ascension Cathedral here in the heart of Panfilov Park dito sa Almaty, which is only 3 to 5 minutes away from our hotel, depende kung ang shoes mo is from Shein or from Zara. A proper walking shoes will lead you here for only 2 minutes. This is the second tallest wooden church in the whole world. Our next stop is Noodle Restaurant, katabi mismo siya ng Kazakhstan Hotel, where we tried our first horse meat. Lasang molo na walang asin. Anyway, our day 1 is done, now off to our day 2. Jet lag malala kami yesterday kasi hindi kami masyado nakatulog sa hotel siguro dahil dun sa balloons. Joke lang. Pag nakita nyo na nag-shake hands na ang mga Russian, ibig sabihin start na ng tour nyo. Nabook namin tong whole day tour na to sa Panda Travel sa Instagram for around 2,700 to 2,800 pesos per person. Magsa-start siya ng 4:30 a.m. and mag-e-end siya na 11:30 p.m. pero nakabalik naman na kami sa city for around 8:30 p.m. First stop is Sharin Canyon.
Hindi ba? Dapat yung ano pala, no, yung ano, nakaharap dito parang ano siya.
Akala namin sa ihi na lang kami kikiligin.
Tingnan ko lang.
This part right here, kinikilig kami parehas kasi first time namin ginamit yung selfie stick namin, tas nakita namin sarili namin sa camera. Tapos dun kami parehas nag-decide na tara, vlog natin to.
Parang negative ko ba?
Sharin Canyon is 298 kilometers away from Almaty City. Sobrang ganda ng dadaanan mo, especially kapag winter. Kasi feeling ko meron tayo sa Philippines na mga mountainous views na magaganda din. Pero pagdating mo dito sa winter nila, ang ganda sobra ng snow. Tapos may mga tumatawid na mga horses, na mga sheep, na may mga lamb. Sobrang magical. Hindi ko mabilang ilang beses ako umiyak sa sobrang ganda na nakita ko. Hoy! Sharin Canyon is the Asia's version ng Grand Canyon sa US sa Arizona. Hindi ko ma-explain how beautiful the view, the mountain is, pero feeling ko one day, ikaw naman yung magkukwento ng version mo kung gaano siya kaganda. In this area, bibigyan kayo ng tour guide ng 1.5 hours para explore nyo. Kasi meron pa dun sa may dulo na cave, which is hindi na namin siya pinuntahan.
Lord, blessing of travel. Maraming salamat po.
Together. Okay, Bobby.
Lamig. Negative 6, 7, 8. Pero mga ganun.
Sharing Canyon.
Sabi, nanginig yung kahit gloves.
So yes, kaya hindi namin siya pinuntahan na yun doon sa may dulo na part kasi sobrang lamig. It's -8 but feels like -10. Yung group namin, nagpunta pa sila 1 kilometer away kasi meron doon parang cave na pwede kang picturean. Pero kami umakyat na because sobrang ganda din sa taas. Welcome to Sharing Canyon!
So na next natin ito. Tapos yung pinakalas natin. Ano yan? Okay.
Almaty City going to dito. Yung tour.
Grabe, no?
Starts at 4:30 AM ends at 11:30 PM. But like I said, 8:30 nga kami nakarating sa city kasi mabilis naman, wala masyadong traffic. Also, Kazakhstan or Almaty is also known for its heavy traffic lalo kapag sa gabi. Parang rush hour din natin dito sa EDSA. Pero make it Central Asia. Ganon. Nag-spend pa kami ng mga 20 to 30 minutes dun sa may taas na area. Nag-picture pa kami doon, view of the canyon. Tapos, ang next stop natin is the Black Canyon. According sa research ko, ito na yung cheapest na day tour na pwede mong mabook sa Almaty. Tapos, ang dami mo nang mapupuntahan. Sharing Canyon, Black Canyon, Candy Lake, Colsay Lake, tapos minsan yung Moon something-something pa. Pero hindi na namin pinuntahan yun kasi during summer lang daw yun. Kazakhs or people in Kazakhstan used to have a nomadic life, meaning they have no permanent address. Kaya they use tent para pwede sila sa relocation anytime, anywhere. They used to follow food, kaya they never stayed in one place. Off to our next stop, which is the Black Canyon. Pero parang eme-eme lang yung black kasi color brown siya sa personal. Tapos parang mas ma-justify niya yung name na Chocolate Hills kaysa sa Chocolate Hills natin dito sa Bohol. But since it's winter, so I'll call it White Canyon. Nagdesisyon lang talaga ako for them. Dito namin naramdaman yung puksa ang lamig. In 3, 2, 1. O, diba? For the gram, akala mo walang nangyari. So handsome my Bobby.
Babe.
Welcome to Black Canyon! It's when the husband hit the spot. Good angle, good view. 4:30 a.m. call time. Weather that's so cozy. I can't really blame you why you're so sleepy. As a tropical girl, for me sobrang perfect talaga ng timing ng punta namin kasi sobrang ganda ng snow, ang ganda ng mountains, very scenic. Tapos color white lahat. Grabe, masasabi mo ang galing-galing talaga ni Lord. Wait, tama ba yung nakita kong umiti siya? Tama! This is a special truck going to the Candy Lake para makasakay na kami ng horse, mag-cross kami ng mountains. By the way, that's our very beautiful tour guide, Karina. Touchdown! Candy Lake. Also nakakatuwa kasi yung tour namin may 70% na Filipinos. Parang 4 na piraso lang yung Indians. By far, for me, this is the best experience I had in my life. Ang lakas maka... When you play the Game of Thrones, you win or you die. You win or you die. Pasok, Emilia Clarke. Also, this is so dreamy kasi sa city hindi na siya nagsusnowfall. Tas dito may snowfall. First snowfall ni Bobby to.
Horses, go!
We're going now.
Let's go, let's go. Baby.
Can you stop the house? Look up.
So parang for me, very very good. Hi, Karina. Hi. My favorite Kazakh.
My favorite Philippine. Was the stylish one.
Thank you.
You're like a model.
You too.
Oh.
So pretty.
Thank you. Right now I look like a cabbage.
Hello. Kazakhstan is really good.
Come to Kazakhstan. Contact me.
Yeah.
Call me, guys.
Contact Karina. What's your Instagram, Karina?
KGAPM.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay. I will just put it here.
Find me. Follow me.
Follow Karina on Instagram.
Yeah.
So, mga 8 hours kami nagbolahan ni Karina doon. Anyway, done with day 2. Here's our day 3. Many of you were asking... Okay, some of you were asking me. Okay, if ever you wanna ask me, saan ko nabili yung blush on ko? Sa Shein. Very makapit siya, very mapula siya, very Latina, maniniwala kang may Jesus talaga. Our day 3 itinerary is Koktobe. Shoutout pala sa asawa ko na sinet aside yung fear of heights niya sa cable car. Sabi ko, ang mahal ng plane ticket, hindi ba pwedeng fear of snakes ka muna today? Yung round trip cable car pala for adults is 8,000 tenge. which is 950 pesos sa atin. Dito din sa Koktobe, maganda magpa-picture ng traditional costume ng Kazakhstan, yung may hawak ka na eagle. Dapat OA ka makipagtawaran dito. Nakuha namin yung 36 photos namin for only 20,000 tenge. Pak, pak, pak. Sino ka dyan? On to day 4. Since hindi namin pinuntahan yung guardsmen dun sa first day namin sa Almaty, ngayon namin siya pinuntahan. It is also located here in Panfilov Park. Tapos dumaan kami ulit ng Zenkov Cathedral kasi ang ganda ng mga nag-ice skates dyan kanina. Time check, 4 p.m. Yes, sobrang dilim na talaga kaagad kapag winter. Very late sunrise, very early sunset. On this video, naglakad-lakad lang kami sa city after namin nag-dinner sa may Navat restaurant. Did you know that apples originated from Almaty? Alma means apple. Alma, Moreno. Correct. Okay. Temperature now is -10, pero feels like -12. Nagtataka nga kami, sobrang lamig, sobrang foggy, pero hindi pa rin siya nagsasnow. But according sa kanila, magsusnow daw ng first week ng February, which is wala na kami dun. Kazakhstan is both Asia and 10% part siya ng Europe since malapit siya sa Russia. Okay? Okay. Day 5 until na-realize namin na pwede pala namin gawing ref yung labas ng bintana kasi malamig. So yung horse meat namin nandyan. Good morning! Let's go to Shimbulak today! For today's itinerary, magsiski tayo sa Shimbulak. Did you know that Shimbulak Ski Resort is the highest ski resort in the world? I also didn't know. So that makes the two of us. Ski gears is not included with the cable car crossing the Shimbulak back and forth. Nirentahan namin to around 6,000 to 7,000 pesos. Para sa aming dalawa na yon, jacket, pants, gloves, helmet, lahat na ng gear. Shoes. Pair of ski boards, since si Archie lang naman magsiski, yung sa akin kasi snowboarding pero hindi na ako nag-rent. Ang maganda dito, chine-check nila according to your size, yung board na gagamitin mo. For safety purpose, di ba? But if you're like me, na gusto ko lang naman talaga is picture dun sa taas with the gears, yun lang yung nirentahan ko, yung sapatos lang. Tapos, eme na ako dun sa taas. What's challenging on this part? Basically, this part. Ang hirap ng pants, ang hirap ng jacket, at sobrang hirap suotin ng shoes. Nahirapan si Archie magsuot ng shoes niya. Yung sa akin, ang shoes ko is for snowboarding. Hindi siya ganun kahirap. Pero, mas challenging maglakad. Yung cable car naman, back and forth for adults is around 10,000 tenge or siguro mga more or less 1,100 pesos sa atin. Sobrang haba niya. It took us around 36 minutes from start point to end point. Para kang galing ng Kogyo papunta ng Baguio via cable car. Ganon karaming mountains ang dadaanan mo. But this one, very beautiful. Hindi ko maalala ilang beses ako naluha. Touchdown Shimbulak. Sobrang daming tao, sobrang lamig, hindi kami naka-video masyado.
Hello. What's that?
A mix. Oh, very good. Philippine.
Yeah.
Try.
Please.
Day 6 here in Green Bazaar is bittersweet because tonight na ang flight natin at 11:45 heading to the Philippines kasi ito na yung lipad natin pa uwi.
Dalasit sa Palaha. Palaha.
That's his happy dance because touchdown Philippines! Thank you everyone! Coming home safely for these little ones, let's hit 100 subs for the next travel vlog. Please follow Yanchi Explores. Mabuhay!